there are a lot of timers, as you can see. But for today's video, it's Cubing Challenger here, and today I'm going to show you the 3 timers that I mostly use. So I'm going to show you the features of each timer. So let's start with this timer. This is the twisty timer. So as you can see, when you open the app, it shows you the scrambles, the puzzle, the scramble image, and those important details. For this one, you can select a puzzle by hitting this word 3x3 cube. Then you can make your own session by hitting this triangle, square, and circle shapes together. Then you can select your own category. If you want to make a new session, just hit this new button. Then next, so for this one, here's the scramble, and then if you enter the manual mode or you enter your time, if you're using other timers such as Takma timer, all you need to do is to hit this clock button with the plus button, and then that enters your time. Then you hit done after you enter that. And if you want to input your own scramble, all you need to do is to hit this pencil button. So it says here, enter custom scramble. Then if you want to regenerate new scramble, all you need to do is to hit this button over here. Then it changes your scramble. Then for this one, shows you the possible cross solutions. Then if you hit this settings button, you can see here, trainer. So this one can help you train your OLL cases. And if you want to learn new algorithms in the OLL and PLL, what you do is to hit this algorithm button. Then you can choose over there. And then you can change also the background of your timer. Then let's proceed to the settings. So for the settings, you can change the language. Then for the inspection behavior, you can add your inspection, and then you can also enter your own inspection time. But the default one is 15 seconds. Then you can change also how they will alert you. So I go for both vibration and sound. The next, timer appearance, you can hide your timer while you're serving so you can see your time. Then other. So for the other, general settings, and then for the statistics, just only this one, and for the list is this only one. Then if you change the settings, that will happen in that. So if you hit this one, you can see that list of times. Then if you want to check out those times, what you do is to hit the time on that, and then you can see scramble the date and the time when you get that time. So you can do that when you get your personal best. And then here's the improvements or the statistics of your session. So that is for this this timer. So now let's proceed to the other timer. So this one is the timer that I use on my phone. So sorry for the noise. I'm on the upstairs of our home, on our house. So okay, so it's too long. So if you open the app, this is what will show to you. So the statistics over here, then the scramble image, and then the scramble on the top. So if you hit this one, you can see the details of your session. Then if you hit this one, you can choose all of your sessions. Then if you want to add new sessions, what you do is to hit this plus button. Then you can name your own. Then you can choose what category it is. Then after that, just hit the create button. Then for this one, like the trophy thing, so that is the contest. So they have weekly competitions and that. It will end from Monday to Sunday, and that is weekly. You can choose between these events. So for this one, if you hit this this man look, it will show to your profile. So all you need to do is to have a account for the cubing time. And then for the settings, you can switch between what? So you can use light mode. You just put light mode that it will look. Then all you need to do is, if you want to enable WCA inspection, just hit that. Then the timer format, you choose between this. So 100, that is 2 decimal, and 1000 3 decimal. So if you want to change something and you don't know how to do it, just proceed to the gestures and then it will show you what you will do to do that. Then log out. If you want to add your own account, then that is for the cubing time. So when you're starting a timer, all you do is to hit the start button, then like that. And then if you finish that, it's just hit the running button. So you have to delete, just swipe it to the right. So that is for the cubing time. So now let's proceed to the last timer. So this one is really complete timer. I mostly use this one for everything. So it is, so for this one, it doesn't have algorithms like the twisted timer, but it also most of the complete things that you need when practicing. So this is the CS timer, so it doesn't have an app. So I just add it to my home screen. Just all you need to do is to type the link on your browser, cstimer.net. So over here you can see on the top you can see these scrambles, and then for on the bottom right, you can see the scramble image. So over here is your session on the bottom left, but just you can switch between sessions just hitting this session like that. Then for this one, this is the functions tools, so you can choose between that. Then this one, you can hide your list of times. For this money thing, so you can donate. Then if you want to know more about this, you all you need to do is to hit this CS timer word. Then you can see the introduction, copyright, basic functions, keyboard shortcuts, because this one is for the laptop or the computer, desktop. Then if you want to change something, all you need to do is to hit the settings button on the really bottom left. So it shows you the display, the color, the timer. You can use WCA inspection, and also if you're using it on your desktop and you have a StackMat timer or other timers, all you need you can connect it to your laptop to your CS timer. Then that is for for this one, at the upper section, on the upper the scrambles, you can choose what you will do. So what you do is to hit this on the upper right, and then you can choose what state. So that is for the CS timer. So I hope you learned something today, and I hope you'll use one of these timers, but they're also good timers. So another announcement, I made a online competition in the Philippines. So this is only for the Philippines, so I can organize it easily. So the registration starts in Monday, March 30, and ends in April 20 at 8 p.m. in the Philippine time, and it will be held on Facebook on April 27 and April 28, 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. So here is the list of the competitors. So if you have a Facebook and you're from Philippines, you can join this competition. So there's also some prizes on the main events. So okay, so there's also some who recently joined. Then this orange highlight, that means they joined in the group. And then so if there is no color, so that means they just recently joined. So that is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and join us in the upcoming competition in April. So this is the cubing challenger. Stay tuned for my next video. Happy cubing!